Welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English, to speak in the school morning assembly of 6th February. And first of all, national news. Easy jobs are gone. AI boom may hit IIT placements, Ramesh Tamani. Ties with India witnessed setback during Yunus regime, Bangladesh official. 377 aircraft flagged for recurring defects in last 13 months, Center. Renting flat doesn't exclude home buyer from consumer rights. Top quote. Asiatic lion population jumped 32% to reach 891. Educational qualification not mandatory for Panchayat polls, Rajasthan. And now some international news. Russia, Ukraine and US concluded second round of peace talks in Abu Dhabi. India sent Belly Bridge materials to Sri Lanka for post cyclone reconstruction. India and Gulf Cooperation Council signed terms of reference for a free trade agreement. UN Secretary General praised India for leading AI summit ahead of 2026 India AI Impact Summit. Nepal's Election Commission shared final list of candidates for upcoming proportional representation polls. And now some sports news. AFC confirmed India's bid to host 2031 Asian Cup. IOC elected first female member from Iran to join exclusive global Olympic body. Under 19 ODI World Cup, India to face England in final after dominant win over Afghanistan. News related to business. Blast India 2026 kicked off in New Delhi with over 2,000 global exhibitors. Reliance bought 2 million barrels of Venezuelan oil. LIC quarter 3 profit rose 17% to 12,958 crore rupees. And that's all in news. Thank you.